Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel. And right now as we speak, I am working on that bathroom that I made a video of saying goodbye to that bathroom. So this is it. Some things I might be leaving, like that rack on the wall with the towels and everything, and maybe that dresser. But on this side, I'm going to transform this side. And what I think I'm going to do is you see this over here in the corner? That's just a piece of adhesive paper, and I cut it to the size to go in that corner because I'm going to be adding this plastic. This was from a box. So what I did was I cut it and I stretched it out, because what I want to do is I want to do like a sliding, like a shower door right there. See it? So there's going to be a shower in there. Now as the shower, what I'm going to use is going to be this here. This is an adhesive hook. It goes this way. I bought it at Staples. But if you flip it over, look at what it starts looking like. Doesn't it look like the shower head? So that I'm going to place it in here. This is the way it's going to look. See it? Right in there? I know that the glare from the plastic you can't really see, but anyway, it's going to go in there, and it's going to be the shower head. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. And in addition to that, I am going to have a bathtub here. This bathtub. And have you guys ever seen this? This is a wall tap. See it? If you want to plug something in there. Well, I thought of using this as a sink in some way. As a sink. You can either use it that way or flip it over and use it that way. So my idea was using it this way as a sink and putting it against the wall there like that. Then I stuck one of those spray nozzles in the little hole that goes in the middle, and it was perfect as like a lamp, a type of light. So that's going to be there, and I am going to cover that with some caps to make it look. I'm going to put two of those caps. They're going to be like sinks. You know the modern sinks now? That they're not deep. So I'm going to put two of those, and that'll be the sink here. And that, remember, I am using out of this wall tap. I could have used it that way too, but I'm going to use it that way. And then I have these little tiles that I bought at the Dollar Tree. Pop dots adhesives. And look at that. They make great tiles for inside the shower over there in that corner. So this is going to be in here like this, only for this area. See? On both sides. So that's going to be the shower. Alright, I'm working on it, and I'll be back. Thanks for watching.